It's a silver car. That's all I got.
Hello, today we are doing a short review and appreciation of my 2003 Honda S2000. This car has been my primary vehicle since 2011, and it has been truly an honor to own it, and it's really been my baby during that time. This is a very simple vehicle. There's not a lot to go over. Your air conditioning system on the right side, you have your stereo system on the left side, you have a rear defrost, you have cruise control, and well, that's it. We went over all the options on the S2000. What's more important about it is the steering on this car is, well, look, I adjusted it. That's all the adjustment it gets. No up, no down, no forward, no backwards away from you. The steering wheel was put in the perfect place because this is the perfect place and they didn't want you to mess it up. This car is the original Honda S2000 with the 2.0 liter engine that revs to a whopping 9,000 RPM. It's quite a little screamer when it gets up there. Just a little less than 250 horsepower when it was new. It's matted to a 6-speed manual transmission. A very nice piece of machinery on its own. It's overall just a very, very athletic little car. The power, the cornering abilities, the car is just a great car to drive, and it's really been a wonderful experience to have and to drive this car on a regular basis. One of the special things about this particular one is it was purchased brand new with a hardtop. So this has the Honda hardtop option that was available at that time. My dirty little secret is I have never taken the hardtop off of this car since 2011. My convertible days were over with. I really didn't need the wind in my hair anymore. Generally, if you drive a convertible, when you get where you're going, you figure out you are dirty. So at any rate, I wasn't looking for a convertible, but I really was looking to own one of these cars and have it to drive. I was able to find this one after quite a bit of looking, and it has been just about perfect for me. It's such a nice car to drive. It's a nice place to be. It's comfortable. It's just a really great driving car, but on the outside, it's also stunningly good looking. This is just a great looking little car, and it's just kind of the whole package. So at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you a little teaser of what would be a substitute for this, because this is all wonderful. That little hint out at the end of the video, and I hope you enjoy the rest of it. Thank you. Is you get these ladies that come up on the... So as I was saying, when you own a Honda S2000, you get these ladies that approach you all the time. They come in, they see you driving such a car, and they just imagine that you must be the mega in bed. So this happens a lot. They reach in. Fortunately, there's electric windows. You can just kind of keep them out here.